Hi everyone, Richard here from Proteus. Very excited to talk to you about our Creating a Positive Workplace culture. This is our extended one-day version. When you stop and think about it, culture is your behaviour. It is what you do. So it's what's expected in your workplace, but also what's accepted. Left unchecked and unchallenged, workplace cultures unfortunately will get dominated by a toxic few and then dysfunctional behaviours. When that happens, tragically, your good people leave, or even worse, they start to underperform and disengage. That's why great leaders work on their culture by design with their team so they know how to operate above the line in a positive, proactive and professional way. So in this one-day extended version of our culture workshop, we look at three key things. Firstly, how do you lead and model great cultures? So making sure we look at the heroic rule of relationships, and we'll share with you our famous three-door approach to cultures. Secondly, we look at designing robust and sustainable future cultures. So we look at staying ahead of the curve and maintaining our relevance. And while we do that, we really challenge people to move their mindset from entitlement to taking full responsibility. And how do we fight clean, deal with conflict, catch people doing the right thing and call the negative stuff out? The third and final piece is about building resilient workplace cultures. Here we want to create a space, a safe space where people are psychologically safe to speak up without fear of retribution. But when doing that, having your say doesn't mean you get your own way. So we need grit, resilience, gratitude. And we wrap all this up by making sure we're spending more time on catching people doing the right thing by praising them, recognising them, and that way your positive people can shine. So if you'd like to book into this program, jump on our website, proteusleadership.com, or if you'd like to talk to us about doing that in-house, coaching your people to transform their cultures, or indeed you'd like a keynote so all your people can hear this same important, powerful message, contact us, book a time, and we'll look forward to talking further with you about this important topic.